Hello everyone, welcome to SaltySmiles Sauce Boss. We are making pesto today, but not the classic pesto. Squirt, would you like to tell everyone what we're making? Yep, we are making a carrot top pesto with sage. Actually, it's a carrot and radish top pesto. Winter is almost here and fresh basil isn't to be found, but there is an abundance of other herbs and greens that you can utilize to make a pesto. We're going to need carrot tops, as well as radish tops, as well as some leftover sage. So I'm using carrot tops, radish tops, and sage in this recipe. You're going to need 6 to 8 cloves of garlic, freshly grated Parmesan, and you're also going to need nuts. You need nuts to make a pesto. I'm using almonds today. Almonds work really well. And finally, you're going to need some olive oil and salt and pepper to taste. First thing we're going to do is get some water boiling. We're actually going to blanch the carrot tops and the radish tops. If you've ever made a carrot top pesto in the past, you may know that carrot tops and radish tops can be a bit woody. This step of blanching them first allows them to, 1, tenderize, and 2, they actually stay more vibrant and green this way. Once the water has come to a boil, we're going to pop the garlic in, as well as the radish tops and the carrot tops. And we're going to let this blanch for about a minute or so. Make sure to get some ice water ready, and you're going to shock the carrot tops and radish tops. Just throw the garlic in there as well too. What this does is it stops the cooking, and it makes sure that your pesto is vibrant green, super green. Now all we have to do is blend. Get your food processor out. Carrot tops, our radish tops, our garlic, and our almonds. And since all of these things are a bit heartier than, say, pine nuts and pesto, you can just let this blend. So let this go for about a minute, 2 minutes. And what you're looking for is a really processed vegetable mass thing. At this point, you're going to take off the lid and you're going to scrape everything down. After you've scraped down your food processor, you're going to taste it for seasoning, salt and pepper. I would go light here on the salt because we're adding some cheese later, so cheese is a little bit salty, so err on the lighter side here. And now comes the fun part, which is drizzling the olive oil. There isn't like a set measurement to this. You just drizzle as it's processing until it starts to catch, and once it starts to become creamy, you're done. At this point, I'm going to add my Parmesan to the mix, give this a few pulses, and then we're going to retaste it for seasoning, and then that's it. Your carrot top pesto is done. Now here's a tip for storing. If you've ever had pesto go a little brown, if it started to oxidize in the past, that's because it's oxidizing. There's too much oxygen touching the top layer of the pesto. So when you take your pesto and you seal it away, make sure to put just a little bit of olive oil on top. What the olive oil will do is create a seal and the top of your pesto won't go brown. And that's what we have here. Look how green it is. So this pesto will stay good in the fridge for a week or so, probably even longer, but this won't last that long in my house. And it's great on everything. For the taste test, I decided I don't want to just eat pesto. I'm gonna make myself a quick bowl of pasta real quick, and this is how I'm gonna do it. First, you need to grab your favorite pasta, boil it to package directions in salted water, get your favorite bowl, put your pasta in the bowl, top it with as much pesto as you want. Then utilize the pasta water as your sauce agent. And as you stir the pasta water with the pesto, the cheese is gonna melt and the oils are gonna combine with the starch and the pasta water, and it's gonna get nice and silky and smooth. There you have it, the simplest, easiest bowl of pesto pasta. So let's try it. Ta-da! Pesto pasta. Carrot top pesto pasta. So good. It's a great use of your carrot tops or radish tops or both tops. The almonds were really nice in it too. I love pesto. This is a great recipe. Squirt. We did it. We made a great carrot top pesto together. If you like this content, please hit that like and subscribe button. And if you make this pesto, let me know in the comments below. Let me know how you feel about it. Thanks for watching this episode of SaltySmiles Sauce Boss. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'm going to go finish this bowl of pasta now. Pesto pasta. Bye-bye. It's how spicy.